Hello, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the incredible Sea Ray 230 SDX. We've equipped this boat with a 250 horsepower Verado engine, ski pylon. Notice the nice sun pad here. Sea deck throughout the entire boat. White powder coated hardtop. You can pull a skier from up top here. This boat also has incredible storage. Hit a latch, this all opens up, put all your beach chairs, all your gear in here. Another great storage area here. Convertible seats with the flip up thigh rises on both sides. Notice we have the twin Simrad screens. Got one set to chart plotter, one set to fish finder. Fusion Bluetooth stereo equipped. And you also have a great head compartment with a little berth. There is a cushion that converts over the head. So if you had somebody wanted to get out of the weather or take a nap. With the SDX, you have a close-off door. You can shut the windshield, completely block the wind and elements. Great seating up here in the bow area too. When you're not using the boat, this boat does come equipped with snap-on covers, protect everything. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. We can be reached at 910-256-8100.